what we are looking at is algebraic simplification. Algebraic simplification. So these are some of the examples. If you have to simplify the following. I have 2a minus 3d all over 9. 2a minus 3d all over 9 plus 3a minus 4d all over what? 15. So the first thing we are going to do is what? We look for the what? LCM. Is it not? We look for the LCM. So LCM between 9 and 15 will give us what? You're going to use prime factor method. Don't guess. By prime factor method, by prime factor, I am going to find 9 and what? 15. What is the factor of 9 and 15? I start with 3, right? So 3 into this and into this, 5. 3 can go. I have 5, 5. So 3 times 3 will give us what? 9 times 5, 45. So the LCM is now 45. Is that clear? So this is the LCM that we are going to use in solving this. So we'll now say that we have two ways of doing it. Since the LCM is 45, 9 divided 45 will give us what? Because 5 times 9 is 45. So 9 divided 45 will give us 5. Is that clear? So that 5 will now multiply the numerator of 9. 2a minus 3d plus, okay, so 15 divided 45 will give us what? 15 divided 45. What times 15 to give you or to make 45? What must be multiplied by 15 to make 45? I think it's 3. 15 by 3. 3 times this will give us 5. Carry 1. 3 times is 3 plus 1, 45. Have you seen it? So it's 3. So that 3 will multiply the numerator of 15. 3a minus 4d. Are we together? Okay. So we now clear the brackets. So I have that 5 into 2a will give us 5 times 2a will give us what? 10a. So 5 times minus 3d will give us minus 15d. Okay? Plus 3 times 3a will give us 9a. Plus 3 times minus 4d will give us minus 12d. All over 45, because it's still in fraction. Now I'm going to what? Arrange them in their common term or like term. Let all the a's come together. So I have 10a plus 9a. As you're moving them, move them along with what? Their signs. Minus 15d minus 12d all over 45. Okay? So 10a plus 9a will give us what? 10a plus 9a will give us what? 19a. So I have 19a minus 15 and minus 12 will give us what? Minus 27. Minus 27d all over 45. And this is the what? Answer. All over 45. So any question that you're given in algebraic, once fraction is involved, you start with what? Getting the lowest common multiple. of the what? Two numbers. Exactly. Okay, this one is algebraic simplification involving equation. The other one is algebraic simplification fraction with equation. This one also is fraction, only fraction, but this one is algebraic simplification involving fraction. For instance, if you are asked to solve, if you're asked to solve the following, I have a minus 3, a minus 3 over 3 minus a over 2 all equal to what? 0. A minus 3 over 3. Like when you look at this is the first one that we solved. This is the first one that we solved, okay? Now, the only difference is that this one is now, we are being equated it with a value, but this value is what? 0. Are you following what I'm saying? So we are going to solve it the way we solved the other one. Then we now equate it with the what? Value. Okay. So we have two ways of doing it. Either you multiply each of these terms by the LCM, or we clear the fraction first, then equate it with 0. Okay. Now I'm starting with what? Using the LCM. LCM between 2 and 3 is what? It cannot be 2. LCM between 2 and 3, there's no common factor. So it's now 6. 3 times 2 is 6. If you use prime factor method, so it's 6. So 3 divided 6 will give us what? 2. So that 2 will now multiply a minus 3. Okay? So 2 divided 6 is what? 3. The 3 will now multiply a all equal to 0. Okay? So at this point, we are going to clear the fraction, clear the bracket. So I have that 2 into a will give us 2a, into minus 3 will give us minus 6. Minus 3 into a will give us minus 3a all over 6 equal to 0. I will now cross multiply. That this is multiplying this, okay? So I have 2a minus 6 minus 3a all equal to 6 multiply 0. Remember that anything that is multiplied by 0 is what? 0. Exactly. So I'm going to collect the like terms. So 2a minus 3a, okay, minus 6 is equal to 0. But this 6 will now come to this side. Are we together? So we are collecting the like terms. So 2a minus 3a all equal to 0 plus 6. 0 plus 6 will give us what? 6. So 2a minus 3a will give us minus a is equal to 6. Now when you divide both sides by the coefficient of minus a, the coefficient of minus a is what? Minus 1. Exactly. The coefficient of a, coefficient of a is minus 1. So if you divide both sides by the coefficient of a, you will now be having what? That a is equal to what? Minus 6. A is equal to minus 6. In case you don't know how to divide by the invisible coefficient, since the coefficient is minus 1, minus 1 into this divided by minus 1 all equal to 6 divided by minus 1. So minus cancel plus is what? Minus. This cancel this, so a is equal to minus 6. In case you're joining us for the first time, and if you like this video, please, I would like you to drop your comment and subscribe to this channel. See you in our next video.